Hi Mustangs, this is Mrs. Sanchez and Mr. Platero here to tell you about an exciting new opportunity that will be going on during the after-school program for the rest of the school year.
Yes, Mustangs, beginning fourth quarter, we're having a drone building class. We're going to take some time to learn how to build and design and even fly this drone. We have two of them that we want to offer to you. We have lots of fun, exciting lessons that we need to go through, talk about the federal regulations and everything that's involved with flying a drone. This is just part of it. You can see we have some other parts that we still need to attach to it. It's got a GPS system to it. It's got a camera that we can use. And we got a nice big radio controller we can take outside and fly. Hopefully, if you're interested in this, you'll take the time to fill out an application that Mrs. Sanchez will tell you about.
The application can be found on the school website under the after-school program part of the website. Fill out that application, get a teacher recommendation, and plan to be here Tuesdays and Thursdays after school. We're excited to have you.